Hello! In this demo, I show you how reMoteYou can help you to remote control your slideshow easily. It's an application designed to impress people during a business presentation, a speech, or bar camp, or something. It's composed by two components. One component is an iPhone application, and a second component is a small server, as you can see, which is running on the background. Okay, let's start the application. It shows you the currently image on your desktop. So if we switch to a business presentation, we can just remote control the application using the four directional keyboard and the space. So if I hit right, I get the next slide, and obviously if I hit left, I get the slide back. But this is compatible with every software that allows directional key navigation, so PowerPoint, Keynote, Acrobat, and also Flash presentation. So I hope you like this reMoteYou, and thank you for paying attention.